Sembut Menteri Rambak Kecelah Basnya Balang Dhar Badai Kemi Ru Ek Tanat Penroisor Walaupun Pam Boksekar ke Klem Kendang Sakti Kenang Madan Hendrai Kala Ayaki Yakawe Pak Jaka Kabasyong Dukan Kum Hamuda Kompleks Kababiang Ban Penjaj Jika Kam Kayi Peteng Basnya Balang Ulaong Boksekar Kan Lek Laka Cong Kakam Nila Penlong Tangi Kecing Kynriah Ban Bu Yaki Beri Jungi Haka Jaka Kebadai Kani Kalong Ru Katkum Ka Hukum Kaying Bisyar Empat katkum kacing penpau sembut Menteri Rambak kacing her kynriah kadai keberalek katkum ka hukum jangka yang besar bat kacing temu kalong banbo ya nongdie madan hak jaka bala itu kacing temu jang kacing pen kynriah ya kepesyong de madan kadai ban pen mentoy yaki bat pan bandra ya kuat kesebah kanong bat selong ulong syuru nalong kata barok nangi ngikwa ya kasor jungi kebakuai kebasebah oi nyihapan buram ru ya kinong ya nang yang bat kibre kebapanan kamlang yaki surok bat lendiyai ulaban rap syuru dak kebaong bak serkar kala kendu yaki kibre basyong de madan bat kala sengap ya kacing kerpat kecongki ban pisar kentop kacing kwa kecongki ya kejaka kaban la punya jawi kimar kimata kum serkar nyila persyang ban le hakata kerukom bangin syubrat yaki kibre bujungi nyila ai kejaka kabapiang hamuda kompleng kembang ban kayi kerpat ini banbu ya kejaka kabom de kejaka pelong yo ngilap yang kata bat ngilale kibal kerpat bat apa penpau ru ya kecing sengus kem makinong de madan kin ya trelang bak serkar bat bah kin kynriah no kejaka balabu hapoh ka tarik unaitung basnya balang ulong balada kim le kata ka an cang sim ya la ka jong kalenti da ka bayang skem hakanong rem bak serkar ka kucing mut pan buat ya hukum jangka yang besar.
In such a manner that we are not throwing our people, we are giving us schemes and put them into the good places. You know where in the Muda, which is very right place for the commercial. Yes, previously they request us don't put us into the where there is no commercial purpose, so we accept it and we do as per the request, and we are doing our own job. I think we have Muda. I don't think so. They will be against it. Slowly they will be in line with us. That is my request also at the same time. Sure, all haka will be placed in the right position one day. Yes, maybe one time, one shot is not so easy for us, but we are trying to see and help our haka in such a manner that maybe not to the mark as they want, but we are trying to do the